My name is Kathir. I'm based in Madurai. I run a software company looking through the internet basically to solve two problems of mine. My sugar was always a little on the higher side. Father had diabetes, and it was, people were telling me it's probably genetic. My fasting was usually 140 plus. HbA1c was around 6.9. The regular family doctor told me that it has now come to a point where you cannot avoid tablets, and he prescribed some tablets for me. The other problem that I had was with the fatigue we have long working hours. So the fatigue in the office and a little bit need to take a nap after I had a meal. Sometimes many of the meetings go with some yawning and I'm not able to focus. And I was looking at the internet, searching, and then I just stumbled upon somebody talking about this course. Completely convinced that this is the way to do it. At the end of the course, here we are, and my HbA1 is now 4.8. I can hardly believe it. And I couldn't believe it. And my fasting blood sugar is 70. It has never been less than 140 for many years. And almost all of my parameters are very good because it was always extreme. I have tried paleo, I tried intermittent fasting, I tried keto for a bit, but usually ended up in some problem or the other, and my sugar never went down. In spite of all of this, it would come down, then it would go up, very quickly, never this low. And now I just stopped the sugar tablets. I'm completely tablet free now. No sugar. I stopped my BP tablets. I was taking Telma 20. I've stopped that. My pant size has come down to 2 inches, 36 to 34. To Chennai this time, I bought new pants because the old one is really old, big. I think I may embarrass myself somewhere. New belt. The old belt was like going around too much. So, we eat so much, right? I don't know how much I've eaten, how much of bad food I've eaten all through my life. I could have avoided all of that if I had known something. And all this was just mostly with food. But I would say it is not just food. The program encompasses a lot of other things. There is an element of meditation, there is an element of breathing, there's an element of walking. The scientific videos helped a lot. I think once those videos came, I think a lot of conviction came. The second problem that I had was that of fatigue. Not constant, but very, very frequent bouts of fatigue and the need to go crash, for a while, take a nap and so on. That's completely gone. I don't have that problem anymore. Go to the office, I'm able to work for about 10 hours. Even youngsters yawn, I don't these days. And I'm able to work long, I'm able to focus, I'm able to take good decisions. And it has completely changed my energy levels, my enthusiasm to taking up something new. Now we are taking up something big and something new, quite a radical departure from what we were doing. And I feel quite confident that we will achieve it. The kind of energy that you have, and being able to rally people around and being available for them when they need it. So it's not just personal life, it's a business. And I am inspiring people to do this, even youngsters to do it, even my own kids to do it. I think this is an education that we must give to school kids. It's a very important piece of your life. I would really like to thank Dr. Singhvi and the team. It has been a wonderful experience and something that we'll cherish for a long time to come. Much. I mean, really, from the heart. Thank you so much.